mwaka umwe kuma riria president arugamire mbere ya atongoria aya na akimerera wirutiri wake wa gukinyia muthia ngucanio gatagati kao iguru ria marihi ma mishara ya arutani.
I'm certain that within this month that they go and discuss with the Teachers Service Commission that we will get a result that will enable all of us to be able to work together for the interest of the children of this country.
No mothe ni muthenya wa gikeno kuri miena yothe nikio makengete ithithi nake president agia na mweke wa kwanderera uiguithanirio gatagati ka arutani na mumandiki.
It is with pleasure that we say that the Teachers Service Commission and the teachers unions have concluded a collective bargaining agreement, and once signed and is signed, this agreement now binds all parties until 2021.
Gukorwo ikundi icio ni iromaniriirie na iraunanira njung'wa na iraheana gitio miario-ini oro hamwe na kwaraniria na ngoro imwe ni undu ukenetie mutongoria wa bururi.
I want at the very onset to commend both sides, to commend the unions, to commend the Teacher Service Commission, to commend the Ministry of Education for showing restraint and for negotiating together in good faith.
Riu arutani aya aramandikitwo ni thirikari mari na kibarua kinene mbere yao amu nayo thirikari ni irabatara kuona wira mwega kuma kuri o. Wira wao ni ugukorwo ugithingatwo niguo gutigirira ni mambatiria ikero ciao wira-ini.
Everybody in their respective county will be held accountable personally for the integrity of the exam process this year.
President alikireirie na kwendithiria arutwo aria mareka igeranio cia bururi cia KCPE na KCSE uhotani na kuumiriria aciari yao wirutiri wa thirikari hari gutigirira ati igeranio ni ikurugamiriro na njira igwete na kurigiriria uici na uhenania wacio. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Helen Maina.